Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You know folks, life throws curveballs sometimes. It's like a runaway train heading straight for your savings account. One minute you're riding high, the next you're staring down the barrel of bankruptcy. Now, I'm not here to judge, I'm here to help. Choosing the right bankruptcy attorney is like choosing the right financial advisor. It can make or break your financial future. In 2024, the legal landscape is more treacherous than ever. You need someone in your corner who knows the ins and outs, someone who can fight for your financial freedom. That's why, today, we're diving into the top mistakes to avoid when working with bankruptcy attorneys. These are the blunders that can keep you drowning in debt, folks. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. When it comes to bankruptcy, experience is non-negotiable. You don't want a rookie lawyer learning the ropes with your financial life on the line, do you? Look, I've seen it all, folks. I've seen folks lose their homes, their cars, their dignity because they went with the cheapest lawyer they could find. Don't be that guy. You need an attorney who eats, sleeps, and breathes bankruptcy law. Someone who's been there, done that, and has the scars to prove it. Ask about their track record. How many bankruptcy cases have they handled? What were the outcomes? Remember, this isn't the time for on-the-job training. You need a seasoned pro in your corner, someone who can navigate the legal system blindfolded. Think of it like this. Would you trust a heart surgeon who's only read about open heart surgery in a textbook? Heck no. You want someone who's been elbow deep in the operating room, someone who knows the difference between a scalpel and a spatula. The same goes for bankruptcy attorneys. Don't be afraid to ask the tough questions. How long have they been practicing bankruptcy law specifically? What's their success rate? Have they handled cases similar to yours? You're interviewing them as much as they're interviewing you. Remember, this is your financial future we're talking about. You deserve someone who's going to fight tooth and nail to get you back on your feet. So do your homework, ask the tough questions, and don't settle for anything less than an experienced professional. In this day and age, there's no excuse for not checking reviews. We check reviews for restaurants, vacations, even dog groomers. But when it comes to something as important as bankruptcy, we suddenly forget. Come on, folks. Reviews and testimonials are like word of mouth on steroids. They give you a glimpse into the attorney's reputation, their work ethic, and most importantly, how they treat their clients. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a used car without checking its history, would you? You'd want to know if it's been in any accidents, had any major repairs, right? The same goes for attorneys. Reviews can tell you if they're responsive, if they explain things clearly, if they actually fight for their clients. Now, I'm not saying to base your decision solely on reviews, but they're a valuable tool in your arsenal. Look for patterns in the reviews. Are people consistently praising the attorney's knowledge and communication skills? Or are they complaining about being left in the dark and feeling like just another case number? Remember folks, reviews are a two-way street. They not only help you find a reputable attorney, but they also hold attorneys accountable for their actions. So do your due diligence, read those reviews and see what other folks are saying. Bankruptcy isn't one size fits all, folks. There are different types of bankruptcy, each with its own set of rules and implications. You need an attorney who's going to take the time to understand your unique situation and explore all available options. Don't let an attorney push you into a specific type of bankruptcy without fully explaining all the alternatives. It's like going to a doctor for a headache and them immediately recommending brain surgery without even considering an over-the-counter pain reliever. A good bankruptcy attorney will lay out all your options, explain the pros and cons of each, and help you choose the path that's right for your financial recovery. They'll be your guide, your translator, and your advocate throughout the entire process. Remember, this is your financial life we're talking about. You deserve to be informed and empowered to make the best decision for your future. So don't be afraid to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and make sure you understand all your options before making a decision. Look, I'm a firm believer in clear and consistent communication. It's the foundation of any strong relationship, especially the one with your attorney. You need an attorney who's going to keep you in the loop, answer your questions promptly, and explain things in plain English, not legal jargon. Don't be afraid to speak up and ask for clarification if you don't understand something. Remember, you're paying them for their expertise, and that includes their ability to communicate effectively with you. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want your doctor to mumble medical terms at you and then send you on your way, would you? No. You'd want them to explain your diagnosis, treatment options, and potential side effects in a way you can understand. The same goes for your bankruptcy attorney. They should be your trusted advisor, someone you feel comfortable talking to and asking questions. If you feel like you're being left in the dark or that your concerns are being dismissed, it might be time to find a new attorney. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Be upfront about your situation, your concerns, and your expectations. The more open and honest you are with your attorney, the better equipped they'll be to represent you effectively. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dave, this is bankruptcy we're talking about. Of course I'm worried about the cost. And you're right to be concerned about fees, folks. But here's the thing. Choosing an attorney based solely on price is like choosing a surgeon based on who offers the cheapest appendectomy. You might save a few bucks up front, but it could cost you dearly in the long run. Remember, you get what you pay for. An experienced, reputable attorney might charge a higher fee, but they're also more likely to get you the best possible outcome for your situation. They'll fight harder, negotiate smarter, and work tirelessly to protect your rights. Think of it like this. Would you rather pay a little more for a quality product that lasts, or go for the cheapest option that falls apart after a few uses? The same principle applies to legal services. Don't be afraid to discuss fees up front and ask for a clear breakdown of their billing practices. A good attorney will be transparent about their fees and work with you to create a payment plan that fits your budget. Remember, bankruptcy is an investment in your financial future. Choosing the right attorney, even if they cost a little more upfront, can save you thousands in the long run and set you on the path to financial recovery. So there you have it, folks. 5 common mistakes to avoid when working with bankruptcy attorneys. Remember, choosing the right attorney can make all the difference in your financial recovery. Don't let these blunders keep you trapped in a cycle of debt. Take your time, do your research, and choose an attorney who's experienced, trustworthy, and committed to fighting for your financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of bankruptcy, the right attorney can be your greatest asset. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.